Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a simple exercise make sheet metal use Fusion 360. Like this. Honestly, this is my first time using sheet metal tools in Fusion 360, but I hope you can understand. Without wasting time, let's start it. Click sheet metal, click new component, type is sheet metal. And OK. Click create sketch, click this plane, active rectangle, click from this point, make a square 50 x 50. Click finish sketch, active flange, and click this sketch. And OK. Now we will make the bend. Active flange again. Click this edge and this edge. Make height parameter is 50 mm. And angle parameter 45 degree. Make flange type is symmetric. Make distance 20 mm. Do the same on other flange. OK. Active flange again. Click this edge and this edge. Make height parameter 50 mm. Make flange type symmetric and distance 20 mm. OK. Now active fillet. Make fillet type is full round fillet. Click this face. Sorry, not this. Click this edge. And this edge. This edge and this edge. OK. Active unfold to stretch this part. Click this face. OK. Click create sketch, click this face, active circle, click this point, and this point, active sketch dimension, make circle diameter is 10 mm. Click this circle and this circle, make equal. Active circle again. Click this point, and this point, Active smart dimension, make this circle diameter is 8 mm. Click this circle, and this circle, make equal. Active smart dimension again, click this circle and this circle, make distance 15 mm. This circle and this circle, make distance 15 mm. Click Finish Sketch, active Extrude, click all circle, make Extend Type to Object, and click this face. OK. Click the four face. See, the hole is made in and part is ready. Now I want to change color this part. Right click component, click Arrange. Drag this color to part. See, the color is changed. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.